where we head into the knockout stages, the semi-finals. It's India A versus Bangladesh A.
Who's going to toss the coin? Well, so the news from here at the toss is that Bangladesh have won the toss and are going to hold first.
Yash Dole saying that they've made that one change coming into this match, and that change is that Yuvraj Singh Dodia gets a game in place of Nitish Reddy. Sai Sudarshan, who got that 100, an unbeaten 104 in that previous match, the last match of the group stage against Pakistan A. And at the other end, of course, is the deputy for the India A side in this tournament, Abhishek Sharma, who got an 87 in quick time against Nepal. He needs that elevation going all through the covers. This will be 4. We're knocking on the doors of the national side, but this is well struck down the ground, and it will be 4. Sai Sudarshan. Straight away. That's 4 more. He was waiting for it, and this time off the back foot for 4. A little uppish, and past mid-off. That will be 4.
Extra bounce on that occasion, and that's the end of the opener, Sudarshan. Looking to play a cut shot, does not gauge the bounce well enough. Off the edge, just right to the keeper.
The end of Sai Sudarshan.
And Nikhil Jose is walked out to bat.
Oh, he's answered that with a big shot, and he will get maximum. And that is the first 6 that we've seen. Imperiously driven there, and that will be 4. Possibility of that arch rivalry undergoing another metamorphosis, but this is a wicket here, and Nikhil Jose will have to go back to the hut, and he's gone for 17. The India A captain, Yash Dole, walks out into the middle. And he takes on the boundary rider. Will he get the distance? No, he won't. In fact, he'll hold out there to long off. Playing on his patience. They've got the set batter out. Abhishek Sharma gone for 34. India A 79 for 3 now. Nishant Sindhu walks out into the middle at number 5.
They were 22 for 2 out here at the Premadasa. India have got a fight on their hands, and a good boundary this for the Indian skipper. Looking to go big is Sindhu. As he got the distance, the fielder is coming underneath it, and he snapped up. Rakibul claims another wicket here.
With their 4th wicket down, this is Nishant Sindhu.
Rian Parag.
Plays the aerial shot, and he will get maximum for it. Brilliantly struck, and against the run of play, Rian Parag gets 6. Oh, he's played on. Here is Rian Parag. We talked about how it was so important for him to stay out there, stitch a partnership together with the India A captain. He's gone for 12 as Rian Parag. The wicket-keeper batsman, Dhruv Jurel, walks out into the middle. Was there an inside edge there? No, there wasn't. It's straight on the pad. That's another wicket. Sheikh Mehendi. Dhruv Jurel, he's gone for 1. Harshit Rana.
Rana using the long handle there to good effect. Going down on one knee and carting that. This time going once again, but he will find the fielder. He was looking to go once again over the onside, but could not really hit it where he wanted to. And that's the reason the ball skied up to the fielder at long off.
But Harshit Rana goes for 9.
That brings Manav Sutar. be simple and straightforward, and nicely played away. Starts off with a change of pace, but that's been hammered away. Nicely played away. He'll look for the second, and he will go back and get it comfortably too to get to his 50. It's been a fantastic innings this from the India ace skipper.
Now, where did that ball pitch? Did that pitch outside the line? Oh, there could be a run out here. Oh, he's been run out. This is a very good pick up and throw by Zakir, and he's thrown the stumps down. Yes, Manav Sutar knows it. He hasn't made his ground. Manav Sutar, he's run out for 21, and a partnership for the 8th wicket's finally been broken. And that brings Rajvardhan Hangargekar. Slower one, picked up and hit down the ground. That's hit big, that's hit high, that's hit long for 6. Slower bouncer, attempted. Hasn't got the distance, has he? No, he hasn't. He's gone for 15, India A, 199 for 9. Driven beautifully for 4. Oh, and that's the reason why he's tried to go big. On the toe of the bat, it is a chance, and that will be taken. Rakibul takes the catch. And what it means now that Bangladesh have a target of 212 to get to try and make it to the final of this ACC Men's Emerging Teams Asia Cup 2023.
Good record for Naeem Sheikh in the list A area. Tanzil Hassan, the other opener, has got an equal split there. And the bowling will be started by Arshid Rana. Nicely played through the gap. First runs for Bangladesh coming by way of a boundary. And cut away. Another boundary here for Tanzil.
Yes! Played on!
Super bowling display here. Bowling in his first over and striked.
So Naeem Sheikh's gone for 38. Bangladesh A are 70 for 1. Zakir Hassan walks out into the middle.
Nicely driven into the gap. Another boundary here for Tanzil. And that brings up his 50 as well. Tossing it up. Is there a chance? Is it taken? It's a brilliant take this. Nick and Joes. Who else?
Tanzil Hassan goes out for 51. Will make you try and play those shots. Big appeal, and he's got him.
Zakir Hussain dismissed for 5.
Mahmudul Hassan joys.
But this one will, and it's a wicket for Abhishek Sharma. The captain, who made 22, he's heading back to the hut. Soumya Sarkar, the experienced batter. How close was that? How close is that? They have appealed, and it's been given.
Look at that catch from Nitin Jose. Beautiful catch.
And Soumya Sarkar is gone for 5. Akbar Ali. Oh, has that been taken cleanly? Yes, the catch has been taken. He's gone for 2, Akbar Ali. It's 134 for 6. Sheikh Mehdi. Towering contribution. This is 4.
Bowling.
Taken. Off pitch drive straight to the skipper.
Sheikh Mahdi goes for 12.
Rakibul walks out to bat. Enterprising effort, but that results in a dismissal. The first ball, reverse sweep from Rakibul. Another wicket here for India A and for Sindhu. Tanzim is the man who's walked out. Once again, he picks up another wicket. This is the first ball for the left-arm spinner. Some just reward for terrific bowling from Sindhu here. He's picking up his 5th wicket.
Mahmudul Hassan joy goes for 20.
And Mondal walks out to bat. And it high in there, the field is getting underneath it, and the catch is completed. The captain is the one who takes the catch again, and the India A side go on to the final, beating Bangladesh by 51 runs. India A put into bat, were all out for 211. Dool getting 66, Rakibul and Shak Mahedi getting 2 wickets, and then Bangladesh were bowled out for 160. Super performance of Sindhu, 5 for 20, and Manau picking up 3